Every morning, some people wake up to run, while some wake up to chase their dreams. But while chasing those dreams, struggling with heavy shutters becomes part of their everyday life. Day by day, the stress keeps growing, turning a small struggle into part of their everyday life. With one simple call, everything started to change. The Autozon team responded instantly with care, support, and the perfect solution. Professional technicians arrived on site and transformed the heavy shutter into a smart automatic system. 12 years of trusted service, innovation, and customer satisfaction, where smart automation meets everyday convenience. Whatever your requirement, Autozon has the perfect automation solution to power your business. Autozon, making every shutter smarter, smoother, and stress-free.